Bueno, aquí está un video más de cómo está la ciudad de Chicago. Ha nevado demasiado, demasiado. Pues en otras áreas se ve que hasta los carros están tapados de nieve. Pero pues aquí podemos apreciar que más o menos qué tan alto está la nieve. Casi llega hasta la ventana ya de la casa. Y pues así de desolado se ve por fuera. Miren qué alto está la nieve. Tenía dos pinos al frente de la casa, casi desaparecen ya por la nieve.
ABC 7's Paul Meinke started out walking this morning from Des Plaines. He's now made it to Oak Park. He's joining us on the phone again with the latest at what's going on. Oh, there he is. He's live. We get to see him live. Paul, you look no worse for the wear.
Well, I didn't walk all the way from this.
Oh, you didn't.
Well,
Y continúa nevando todavía hasta las 3 de la tarde.
and in fact, an 8-car Blue Line train just passed by us a little bit ago. As I mentioned to you when I was on the phone, we're on Ridgeland. We're above the Eisenhower. And every once in a while, you'll see a car go by. And I know you talked about people saying I got four-wheel drive, it's no problem. And it really is. I got four-wheel drives too, and I couldn't get out of the driveway this morning until I shoveled myself out finally. So it's been an adventure. There, as you can see, that's the Ike. You're looking at the inbound lane. People